Do you know how awesome garlic water is for your looks and health? But is it really all that great? And what happens if you drink it every day? If you're interested in this topic, push the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your kidneys will thank you. Kidney infections are a pain, but garlic water can make a world of difference. Say goodbye to thick blood. If you're battling high blood pressure and cholesterol, garlic water can save the day. And guess what? Garlic can even slash your bad LDL cholesterol by 10 to 15%. Keep your blood sugar in check. High blood sugar is a constant headache, leading to all sorts of problems like diabetes and obesity. But fear not, garlic water to the rescue! Clearer vision ahead. Surprisingly, garlic water can even benefit your eyesight. Supercharge your brain. Garlic water is like a fountain of youth for your brain. Garlic consumption reduces dementia, and it also decreases the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Shed those pounds. Who doesn't want to look slim and toned? Well, garlic water can help with weight loss. Plus, garlic water can tackle stomachaches, bloating, and even diarrhea, so your tummy will thank you too. Clearer skin awaits. If acne has been your arch nemesis, garlic water might be your secret weapon. Garlic is a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties that flush out toxins, detoxify your body. Every now and then your body needs a good detox, and garlic water is perfect for the job. Garlic reduces the clinical signs of toxicity, giving your immune system a boost like no other. That's why garlic water is fantastic for fighting off the flu and colds. Remember to drink it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning to reap all its amazing benefits. And if you know any other simple and healthy morning drinks, share them with us in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your pals, and hit that subscribe button to stay with us.